Relax, stop. Relax, stop.
Before you open Syntec, you must check the stop will be off. Now you can track it. All X must be home. Press this home key. Press Z.
First Z 必须先是 Z。
First Z. First must be Z. Then activate. Now exit go home, so will all be yellow. When you use this type knife, you must make sure there is no tool track and the speedo. Now you press MDI, then press F4, then press MDI input. Now input the T 51, it means the knife. Press yes. Press start. Speedo will back to magazine. Put down the tool trunk. Now do calibration for knife. First you choose the head view model, MPG. Then you use head view to adjust the Z height position. Because when the cone paper thickness is 8 mm, we have included this thickness in the software, so the knife can just touch the material surface. Okay. Press offset.
Move.
Now move the
X.
layer. Press F1.
Apply.
Apply.
Yes. Go.
Move the way. Apply. Yes.
Z axis.
Z
Yellow.
must be yellow.
Okay. This. Go set.
Wait. Tool set. Now we move the scan into the 51. Now you notice this number.
This number.
Now you notice this two number will be same. 51 means the knife head. Okay.
然后，因为它有一个暗箱照度打下来。
After two calibration, there is a safe distance, so we choose the GOG mode. Then after the Z, exo for the knife head. Now this knife head calibration work has been finished. Now we do the calibration for this wheel. Press F3. The wheel have been done to the calibration. Now still choose the MPG mode. Use head wheel to the calibration for this wheel. Okay. Now, 52 means the wheel calibration. We must be the machine Z. This number will be same the this. Okay.
导入程序吧。
Now back. Now we input the G code program. Field manager.
要 copy 吗？要 copy 吗？
Okay. This field, we choose this field for test. Field import. US select. USD select. We choose this field. Now field have been in the system. Now we choose this field. First we simulation for test. Now we need to up the wheel. Press G for safe. Now we press the auto. If you worry about the field, choose the MPG. SM, yeah. Then press start. Then you use head wheel. You move the head wheel, CC working. You stop move, the CC will not working. Okay. Now the field is correct. Just press this again. The CPU auto.